Welcome to the first in our tutorials on working with Gimp, the new image manipulation program. This program is a free program that allows you to do similar things to Photoshop as well as other image editors. Opening the program, we can see that Gimp usually opens with a multi-window mode, the main image window, the toolbox, and the layers box. Similar to Photoshop, Gimp can also work with layers. In case you accidentally close any windows, you can click Window, Recently Closed Docs, and reopen them. If you like the single window mode, which is similar to Photoshop, click Window, then click Single Window Mode. Many of the different windows and dialog menus that you'll use will come from the Windows dropdown at the top. For example, if we need to use layers often, which will very much be the case, we go to Windows dropdown, Dockable Dialogs, and we can see the entire list of tools we can use for our setup. Making sure our layers window is open to the right, we can add many other options to our creation suite, such as histogram, gradients, colors, and more. Options like these are similar to Photoshop, so you can have a basic translation of knowledge between the programs here. Once you have your setup the way you want it, we can continue on to the next tutorial. From here, I'll be working with Gimp as a single window setup so that it makes it easier for tutorials and showing where options are in future tutorials.